Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in the Poonch district. The troops killed the youth during a cordon and search operation in the Khadi Karmara area of the district. After 54 days of the uncertainty, life in the Budal Rajouri is finally returning to normal following a mysterious illness that claimed 17 lives. The locals demand urgent answers regarding the exact cause of the deaths so that proper safety measures can be put in the place. Indian Army is grappling with a troubling surge in the suicide cases, highlighting the systematic failures within the armed forces. The rising number of the suicide incidents among Indian military personnel signals deep-rooted issues like including the poor morale, substandard provisions, mistreatment by the superiors, corruption and the lack of professionalism. Socio-political activists in the Jammu have strongly criticized the BJP-led Joint Parliamentary Committee for rejecting all 44 amendments proposed by the opposition members of the parliament to the Waqf Amendment Act. They described the move as a war against the Indian Muslims and said that the JPC is adopting undemocratic approach. Leader of the opposition party Congress Party in the India and leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh are involved in spreading hatred in the India. Rahul Gandhi, addressing a public meeting in the Badli area of the New Delhi, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi is spreading hatred because he wants to divide the people of the country and give their wealth to the people like the Adani and the Ambani. Over 150 eminent writers, filmmakers and the activists including Amitav Ghosh, Nasiruddin Shah and Rajmohan Gandhi have demanded the release of the student activist Umar Khalid and other Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act activists. Umar Khalid has been in prison since his arrest in 2020.